Hello students, today we discuss about an important topic of research aptitude, that is qualitative and quantitative research. Okay, what is research? It is a process of steps used to collect and analyze information to increase our understanding of a topic or issue. Research is a search for knowledge. It is an objective and a systematic search for relevant information on a particular subject or topic. Okay, so research means it is a search for knowledge. Okay, it is a scientific or systematic investigation to solve a particular problem. Then, on the basis of nature of information, research can be classified into qualitative research and quantitative research. Qualitative research provide insights and understanding of the problem at hand. Then quantitative research quantify the data and generalize the result from sample to target population. Okay, let's go in detail. First one, qualitative research. It involves quality, that is, when the research is to be made on human behavior, attitude, culture, experience, on the basis of observation and interpretation. The research is said to be qualitative. For example, market research conducted to collect data regarding consumer taste, preference, and choice by analyzing their buying behavior. Okay, it is a qualitative research. Then certain methods included in the qualitative research, they are focus group, depth interview, and photoethnography. First one, focus group. Focus group is an interview or discussion is carried out by an expert moderator. Okay, in a natural manner. Natural manner means unstructured manner with a small group of respondents. Okay. Next one, depth interview. It is a direct personal interview, that is one-to-one interview, conducted with a small group of respondents to gain insight and or understanding of the problem at hand. Okay, that is depth interview. And the next one, photoethnography. It is a method wherein the researcher click picture of behavior or attitude and emotions of the individual in different situation instead of asking question to them. Okay, so focus group, depth interview, photoethnography is a method of qualitative research. Then another important type of the research, quantitative research. It is a type of research methodology which try to quantify the data. Okay, which try to quantify the data and establish cause and effect relationship between variables with the help of statistical or mathematical method. Okay, for example, research carried out to know the sales of various toothpaste brand in a quarter by different companies of a industry. It is called quantitative research. It can be presented in the form of table, chart, or graphs, etc. Okay, then quantitative methods include telephone survey, personal interview, web survey, and hybrid method. First one, telephone survey. In a telephone survey method, a survey is carried out over telecommunication device, that is telephone or mobile, where response are in the form of close-ended answer, say yes or no. Okay, this is telephone survey. Then another one, personal interview. An interview is conducted between interviewer and respondent. The interviewer can be the researcher himself or an agent to gain understanding of the problem under study. Okay, that is personal interview. Then, in web survey method, the researcher select a group of respondents, say 100 to 200 people, are mailed questionnaire to them to obtain information. Okay, that is web survey method. Then hybrid method. Hybrid method, any of the two research method, say web survey and personal interview, or a web survey and a telephone survey, okay, are combined to gain information regarding the problem under study. Okay, it is called a hybrid method. Next we discuss the difference between qualitative and quantitative research. Okay, the first one, on the basis of the meaning, qualitative research is an inquiry conducted to develop insight on human behavior. That is to discover the way people think and feel. Okay, then quantitative research, it is used to generate measurable data. It is an empirical research used to generate measurable data by employing statistical and logical technique. The next one, qualitative research deals with feeling, attitude, opinions, and thoughts of human beings to determine the reason behind that behavior. Then, quantitative research deals with the hard fact and statistical data to draw inferences in numerical terms. Okay, then the objective of qualitative research is to explore and discover ideas used in ongoing process. Then objective of quantitative research is to examine cause and effect relationship between variables. Then qualitative research use purposive sampling, whereas small sample size is selected to get a clear idea of the target population. Then quantitative research use random sampling, wherein large representative sample is selected to explore the entire population. Okay. Then the research type of qualitative research is exploratory. Okay, it is conducted to have a better understanding of the existing problem, will not to provide conclusive result. Okay, only to study existing problem or insight or understanding the problem. Okay, not to provide conclusive result. But in the case of the quantitative research, it is a conclusive in nature, as it involves specific hypothesis and examining the relationship, that is to say in the form of numbers that can be quantifiable. Okay, then on the basis of reasoning, qualitative research is a inductive reasoning because it follow a particular flow to make an inferences. Okay, but in the case of quantitative research, it is a deductive reasoning because it rely on available information to arrive at a conclusion. Okay, qualitative research is a inductive reasoning, quantitative research is a deductive reasoning. Then qualitative research which follow subjective in nature. Okay, approach is subjective, but in quantitative research which follow objective approach because the researcher seeks to observation and analysis to answer the inquiry. Okay, quantitative research which follow objective approach. Next one, on the basis of the data collection. Data collected under the qualitative research is a verbal or narrative nature, which can be analyzed through pictures, objects and words. And data collected under the quantitative method in numerical data. It can be presented through chart, graph and table, etc. Last one, on the basis of the question, qualitative research is an open-ended question. Open-ended question means unstructured questions. In this type of question that allow the respondent to express himself freely on a given subject. Okay, that is open-ended or unstructured question. Then quantitative research, it is a structured or fixed, that is close-ended question. Okay, it is commonly used in survey research. Then under this method, the questions can be answered by a simple form, say yes or no. Okay, that is structured or fixed questions. Okay, in this video we discuss about what is the meaning of qualitative and quantitative research and also their methods And finally, we discuss the difference between qualitative and quantitative research. This is very important topic for research aptitude. Okay, thank you.